Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2020 Toyota Camry. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Find the sweet spot where luxury meets convenience when you take the wheel of this alluring, standard-setting Camry. It's the sedan designed around you, your comfort, your safety, your driving pleasure. You'll be amazed by its cutting-edge technology, fall in love with its exquisite looks, and be thrilled by its muscular power. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, wood grain interior trim, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth connection. Why settle for anything less than excellence? This Camry has all the features you want and need. We'll toss you the keys and help you start an exciting new chapter in your driving story.